hours if we have you. Pero nene. And welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have laid the floor. That was in one of the past videos, and it's very solid. Like, we can run around, we can jump around, so it's very solid, even though it's not going to hold so much weight. But yeah, we still need to walk in and out, so we needed to have a solid floor. So next up is the framing all around. We need to put up the walls, but first we're going to do all the frame. Hopefully in this video we're also gonna get the roof done, like just the frame, so we can fully see the house coming to life, because now it looks like just a deck. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty exciting because we don't really know the design yet, so that's gonna be pretty interesting. We usually create the design as we go. We do have some inspirational photos and designs, but obviously we're not gonna follow one exact design. We're gonna make it ours and the way we want it and the way it fits our needs. But yeah, let's get the frame up and see where what goes. Windows, doors we know, but yeah, windows and all of this kind of extra designs. So yeah, let's get started.
thank you to this amazing company that sent us this laser. It is a self-leveling laser that we're gonna using to get this all nice and straight and also in line. It's an amazing tool and we are gonna use it a lot on these projects and a lot more projects. But yeah, thank you again. You're gonna see the link down below. You can check it out. It's an amazing tool and really good brand, really high quality. Comes with more than one battery, which is amazing for a laser. With stands, you can put it on tripod. It has a calibrator, charger, everything. So it's an amazing tool and yeah, definitely recommend it. It also works really good in the daylight. It's not the brightest, like it doesn't show the brightest lines, but you can clearly tell where they are. So we can easily spot them and work in the daylight even. It's not the brightest day, but it's also not dark. So yeah, check them out down in the link down below. And let's get started by putting up the door. already stable. I think that looks pretty cool. I think we have done a pretty damn good job.
So we are done with the main frame. As I said at the start of the video, we actually wanted to make also the roof frame, but we ran out of screws. We actually used every single screw that we had, and I actually told Dave to buy some more boxes, but he said that they're not so often used screws, so we didn't buy them, so we have to go buy them. And it's also the end of the day, and probably this video maybe is long enough, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna leave it on that, and in the next video we are gonna do the roof framing, plus we're gonna do the framing for the windows. We do have some cool ideas for windows, some lower ones, some higher ones, we will see. And we also have used windows, so we have to go buy those windows, so we don't make it custom, we make it custom by the windows we already have. And as you can see, we also made it a bitty small. We want to put a circular door here, so the highest point pretty much is going to be in the middle. David was not a big fan of it to make it all small. And yeah, pretty much the roof is going to go, like here you can already see, you need to go down. But I said, like, I rather want it small because it's going to look cuter and it's going to hold on the heat better. In theory, we could also make it much more thinner and smaller, like a chicken coop usually are. But because we have a long winter months with the chickens not being able to go outside because it's pretty much too cold and they will freeze their feeties, we decided to make it a bit bigger in the inside so they can have a place to sit over the winter. Because as you know, last year they pretty much didn't come out for like I think 1 or 2 months, and when they came out for like less than half an hour. So we are getting better on making things more perfect, precise and straight and all aligned, even though this project we want to be a bit crooked, as we said. But yeah, still the structure needs to be all straight and the outside can be looking all crooked. We'll see how crooked we make it. We don't want it super perfect. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.